Pollutants, allergens and bugs are in the air all around us, clogging our sinuses with mucus gunk, making it difficult to breathe. Saline helps temporarily, but it does not clean out the mucus. Manuka Sinus Cleanser works to quickly clean the mucus, thoroughly clearing out blocked sinuses. Now you can finally breathe freely. Families now have an affordable and effective solution that truly works to clean out blockages. Manuka Sinus Cleanser is drug-free, alcohol-free, contains no artificial preservatives and no harmful chemicals. Get your life back with Manuka Honey Sinus Cleanser. To order Manuka Honey Sinus Cleanser for the special TV price of just $14.89, visit buymanukausa.com. Visit buymanukausa.com. Visit buymanukausa.com.